Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create the sunrise glow effect for your next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm gonna go here to our bottom left, go to new and create our adjustment layer right here. Then you want to add the 4 color gradient under generate, drag it in right here. We're gonna go to our blending mode and put it on overlay right here, and it's gonna start giving us a nice 4 different color gradient right here. We're gonna go to our color 3 and we're gonna put it all the way at blue. Then to our color 1, we're going to put it on green. Then for our color 2, I'm going to put it at orange. So about right here. I actually made a mistake. Don't put it on blending mode. Actually put it on soft light right here. And it starts giving us a nice sunrise glow effect right here. And what you actually want to do is go ahead and tweak our settings a bit. I might go with a much harsher orange right here. So I want something a bit more darker. Then I'm gonna close out our gradient effect right here. Then I'm gonna add the noise effect. Go under noise and grain and drag in noise. Turn off use color noise right here and put our amount at 20. Close out our menu right here. Then for the next effect, I'm gonna add glow. Drag it in right here. Then I'm gonna put our threshold at 80 and our radius at 42. So go here and put it at 42. Close out our menu, save our project, and that's how you create the sunrise glow effect for your next music video or edit. And with that out of the way, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.